Next, I'm going to put my seat belts in, starting with this one. That fits down here under the carpet a little bit. The bolt hole is right there. So I just need to slide that in here, line that up with that hole. And then the other end of the belt has that bolt in it. And then that goes through the other one like that. Make that nice and tight. There we go. Push the carpet down around it. There's a small bolt that goes in there. Just that little size 10 one. About an inch long. And this one goes up here. The bolt goes through, then the spacer, then the split washer. Good and tight. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Give it a fast jerk and it locks up. Retraction spring is a little weak there. Okay, and then don't forget to tighten up this little one over here. Got that one tight. And that seat belt is in. These big bolts are 12 millimeter bolts, size 12. Carpet tucked back in there. There we go. Okay, this little piece of trim covers up that bolt right there, and it clips on to there. There we go, like that. And then this long piece of trim goes, spread this out but not break it. There, it's on. Okay. And that slides down over the carpet. There we go. The same on the other side. My carpet's sticking out a little bit down there. That just pops this into the groove. And I'll just slide this one down. There we go. That one's in. Alright, now snap this little cover piece on over this one. Yep, there we go. Alright, the seat belt on this side bolts into this little hole here. You see the bolt here. And then on top it has like a screw and a little thing. They don't screw in, but they fit in that hole right there. It kind of keeps it in place. So I fit those two in. Get that bolt started. Okay, that one's in. This one is in the little holes like it's supposed to be. Right, the top one screws into that hole right up there. That should be tight enough. Right, and this little part just snaps in place to cover up that bolt. There we go. That hole is the bottom one. And so this part of the seat belt just screws right in there. And then tighten that up. Okay, that one's in. Give it a little test. It's working okay, not great. The other side goes the same exact way. Screw this in. That one's in. Then the top one. These have a little spacers on them, so no matter how much you tighten it up, it will still be loose. Snip that in place. And then the bottom one goes on the hole on this side. I want to keep my carpet out from under that, so I'm going to go under the carpet. Alright, that one is in. Test it. That works better than the other side.